Where do your tickets stand? And is the workload balanced? The distribution report in HappyFox is your essential tool for tracking ticket workload across key properties like status, category, priority, and assignee. Let's begin by monitoring your ticket distribution. Simply navigate to Reports and then to Distribution. The summary pane provides an immediate snapshot of the max workload across key ticket properties: max tickets in status, max tickets in category, max tickets in priority, max tickets for an assignee. Admins can refine the below report criteria to view the desired data for analysis. First, decide if you want to report on when tickets were first created or when they were last updated. Select the desired categories for which you want the report statistics to be based upon. Define the time period for the report, and the statistics will populate based on the selected activity during that time. Additional filters are available to refine the data, such as pulling distribution details for tickets of a specific status or priority. The report is composed of several powerful widgets for deeper analysis. Distribution by assignee provides a quick overview of how tickets are distributed among your agents. Similarly, other widgets visualize the distribution of tickets across your various categories, priorities, and statuses. You can also track distribution by popular tags to see the top 10 most used tags across tickets. Finally, the time series widgets, such as status or priority or category distribution across ticket creation, let you visualize the distribution of these properties over time. You can choose from line charts, timeline tables, or heat maps with time formats adjustable by hour, date, month, quarter, or year. Access to this report is governed by the View Distribution Reports permission under Roles and Permissions. The distribution report gives you a clear visual overview of your workload, enabling you to spot bottlenecks, balance agent assignments, and manage your support queues. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.